So what's up guys, Noah back on techh.mania, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys the full 3D printing process from a computer file to an actual print. So let's get started. Alright, so basically the 3D printing process is very complicated. I mean, it's not complicated for me, but for you guys it probably is. So if you guys are ever looking into 3D printing something, or if you have seen 3D prints before, this is kind of how it goes from file to a print. So it goes through multiple stages, but you're gonna see it right now. So roll the clip. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Those keychains, I actually got them here. Here are a few of them. A W, S, an A. So yeah, so I got all of them here. But yeah, so that's been it. Alright, so if you like this video, press that thumbs up button and subscribe as well if you're new. And follow me on Instagram. It's going to be here on screen, techh.mania. And yeah, so I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Peace.